Open and close the sunshade by sliding it forward or backward. When operating the power moonroof, the switch does not need to be held. When the ignition switch is in the on position, the power moonroof can either tilt up and down or slide open and closed using this switch. To open or close the moonroof all the way, slide the switch forward or backward. To stop the moonroof, push the switch once while it is moving. In order to tilt the moonroof up, first close the moonroof. Then push and release the switch. To tilt it back down, slide the switch forward. When the ignition is turned off, power to the moonroof continues for a period of time. If either front door is open during this period of time, power to the moonroof is canceled. If the moonroof does not operate properly, see the owner's manual to initialize the moonroof. If it still doesn't operate normally, it is recommended you visit a Nissan dealer. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.